This one's in for some front Beltec camber plates to slot the stock slots. Then we're going to check the pinion angle on the rear because he's got vibration between 65 and 75 mile an hour. So we're going to see if we can figure that out. So we'll be installing these from Beltec. These are the camber plates that allow for more alignment, gives you another degree. So we'll start getting it jacked up and the wheels off and start getting this thing rolling. All right, let's show you what we got going on here. In this truck, I was under the impression that we were having negative camber issues. So the customer brought some Beltec camber plates, which normally, this light set up better, which normally will bring, you'll trim it to be able to bring this out, but it looks like they need to go forward in. They installed, or someone installed, an aftermarket lowering kit, and the upper arms seem to be too long as they've been adjusted in as far as they can. Now these are stock plates, camber plates. The Beltec ones, if you look, give you more room to pull it forward once you trim it. But they don't give you any more room to pull the upper in, because positive means the top's sticking out. Negative camber is it's pulled in and the bottom's sticking out. So I'm gonna try and use my camber plates that I've designed for Pete to fix the positive on it. As you see, use stock, sitting around stock. It's got about the same for that, but I can reduce positive camber. So let me go see what I can do, or better yet, let's go see what we can do. Got it all stripped down. I'm about to mark it. And then we will, on this one, we're going to extend these slots further back. All right, she's done. It's all back together. Ready for the customer to get in alignment. Went ahead and figured out the driveline angles, so now we know where the vibration's coming from. We'll get some shims or whatever we need to do ordered up, and we'll get them back in here.